You cheated, you jumped the start. Speed! Come on! Come on! We've got him over the quarter mile, he's coming though. Come on, Baghetti! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh! Yes! You cheated.
Sorry, what? I cheated in my rear-wheel drive car. Good for you.
You cheated, you jumped the start, you've got more power.
Absolutely did not cheat. Formal protest.
You didn't cheat, you weren't fair and square. This is your car now, you get to take it home.
Thank you so much. We'll split it over a bottle of Bolly. Thank you.